Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Scubapro Level BCD. So this is basically the new version of the Equator. The Equator was always a very super popular BCD because it sits in that kind of sweet spot between it's still pretty lightweight so you can travel with it, but it's kind of tough at the same time. So if you're going in and out of shipwrecks, you don't have to worry too much about a little scrape. It's not the toughest BCD on the market, but it's that kind of sweet spot, Goldilocks between it's light so you can travel, but it's kind of tough. So the Level is the new version of that. It's pretty much the same, but with kind of blue details. But let's take a closer look. So starting up over your left-hand shoulder, traditional corrugated hose leads down to their Balanced Power Inflator. So I like this inflator because it's got big red button to inflate, grey button to deflate, really big chunky buttons, but the inflate is hinged. So instead of just a push button, it kind of hinges. So you can control, if you just want to add a little bit just to adjust your buoyancy, you can, but if you really want to stay on the surface, you can just blast it open. Or an inflation valve as well, so you can already inflate it obviously. And then on the inside, you have a metal cable, which if you pull all of that straight down over your left-hand shoulder, the valve over the top is going to open up. So that's a really quick and easy way just to sort of beginner dive. Just kind of yank that down from an upright position, and then it'll start to descend. So moving down from the inflator, we have a swiveling shoulder joint. So this is quite nice and ergonomic. So instead of just a simple pinch clip, this is a pinch clip by the way, so quick and easy to get in and out of, but it hinges so it kind of twists, so it's much more ergonomic. It's not going to dig in anywhere under your shoulder. It's going to be nice and comfortable. Across the chest, we have a chest strap, just one-way adjustment on that, and a pinch clip as well, so you can basically keep those shoulder straps from slipping over your shoulders, keep them in the right position. On the right-hand side, we have a flat D-ring. This is pre-bent as well, so the bottom of it just lifts away ever so slightly, but just enough so it's easy to clip off onto, and it's flat, so again, it's quite easy to grab hold of. Another hinging pinch clip on that, and a pull dump toggle. So this has a cable that goes over your shoulder and then over to the right hand pull dump on your right hand shoulder. Down to the back plate. So the back plate is a solid section of plastic, so nice and strong. This is a grab handle, very big and easy to grab hold of that. So that's an easy way to move your BCD around, even when it's fully assembled. But that is covered up by this padding, so it's still nice and comfortable, even if you're just wearing a rash vest. You've got some padding, so that cylinder doesn't sort of dig into your back. Okay, around the waist we've got a Velcro Cummerbund. Again, I love a Cummerbund because it just sort of holds the BCD on, stops it from twisting and turning, but it doesn't dig in because it's nice and wide. Pinch clip, double adjustment on that. So that's your real sort of security, so that's what's holding you in, and then you've got the Velcro Cummerbund just keeping it nice and comfortable. On the pockets, so on the right-hand side, we've got a small little metal D-ring for any clips that you might want. You have an octo pocket here, so just bend the hose of your octo and then sort of push it into there. So your second stage, your octo, just sits there in that triangle, but it's still quick release, but you don't need any clips or anything. You have a Velcro pocket. Underneath that, it's fully inflated, so I can't really show you sort of what's inside, but you've got a decent sized pocket in that. So if you've got a spare mask or a DSMB or whatever, you can stow that away in there. Integrated weight system, and these have a pretty secure weight system. Instead of just a pull quick release, this has another pinch clip quick release. If I just show you that weight pocket, it's inflated, so it's going to fight me, but decent size. You can fit about 3, maybe 4 kilos of lead in that, and you've got one of those on each side, and yeah, quick and easy to just release that and ditch it, as long as you're not fully inflated, obviously. You've got another D-ring, another pre-bent flat D-ring on the underside, again for more clipping sort of opportunities. But on the left-hand side, it's pretty much exactly the same, except you've got these knife grommets here. So if you've got an integrated dive knife, you want to fit that onto your BCD, you can get to that there and just sort of bolt it on. Turning the BCD around so you can see the back. So this is the shoulder dump over your left-hand shoulder. So when you pull down on your inflator, this is what's going to vent. You've got the overpressure valve on your right hand side, and this is the cable for that that toggle to open that. You've got a little leash here, so that's just a bit of a redundant backup for your main Kanban. Slip that over your tank valve, and that's just going to act as a bit of a backup so your cylinder can't slip anywhere. Solid plastic back plates, so and this is kind of sort of rounded, so that's going to hold onto your cylinder and cradle it so it doesn't twist and it doesn't shift around. And this grey section here is soft and squidgy, so that's kind of rubbery, and that's going to really grip onto your cylinder as well. This has the Cinch Kanban system, so a two-part sort of buckle. This is very quick and easy, so instead of having to thread that Kanban through the buckle, all you do is just adjust a bit of Velcro to the right length and then whip it around your cylinder, put those two sections together and then clamp it down, and that's it. You're ready to go diving. Very quick and easy. And again, swapping cylinders, just kind of lift that off and then you can swap it really quickly and easily. And then down on your right-hand kidney, you have a right-hand kidney dump with a short little toggle, so that doesn't get sort of snagged on anything. But if you're horizontal or sort of inverted, swimming downwards, you need to dump some gas, you can just pull on that, and that will vent. So all in all, it is a smart little BCD. It's jacket style, so it inflates all the way around you. It's again, it's not a heavy BCD. It's not the lightest on the market, but it's got sort of tougher material, especially over the pockets. That's going to protect from abrasions and sort of cuts and stuff. So yeah, it's a tough BCD, but you can travel with it as well. I definitely like it. This is the Scubapro Level BCD. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.